Happy Mother's Day to me. Bum ba-dum. Happy Mother's Day to me. Bum ba-dum. Happy Mother's Day, dear mommy. You know, you're gonna have to sing this one day. Happy Mother's Day to me, mommy. What? What? Hey. Oop. What are you giving me the eyebrow for? I give you the eyebrow. Ah, sure. Going into our new pool. There's Mama. Remember how cute she looks?
Look at little Corey showing off
Has in his little adorable outfit. Look at it. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. Look at that handsome man. Oh, look at that handsome man. Alright. Oh yeah, Mom's been working out. Yeah? Where? Oh yeah? What is she doing over there? What? Asher. Oh, you're sticking that tongue at me. That's the road. Yeah? Hi. Hi. Oh, those cheeks. Hey. 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 Nah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay. Ay, ay. No. I know, right?
I let you up there. Now just stay happy with where you're at.
Asher, say hi.
Hi.
Christmas season. Hey. What you doing? Yeah, what are we gonna do?
We're going in the store to find treasure hunts.
We're on a treasure hunt?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are we gonna find? What's our treasure?
Our treasure is.
Critters!
We're going to find birds in there. We're going to find birds in there. We're going to find birds in there.
We're gonna put critters in there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm behind this door.
Did you get that for Hanukkah?
It's for bunnies.
It's for bunnies. No, that's not for bunnies. We're gonna have to build something else for a bunny.
So the bunny comes in here.
Yeah.
Or the rabbit can do it.
I really appreciate you doing that,
The
babe.
rabbit can do it there.
I'm doing it with the
The rabbit can do it there.
No, I know. But you were doing stuff. I wasn't gonna ask you to do something else.
But it's
make that for you.
And the head Spider-Man.
And the head to Spider-Man.
And the head arm Spider-Man big arm.
That's an interesting looking arm.
So what's this?
What is that?
That's a black down.
Hmm.
I'm scary. Nice one, Mommy.
Nice one.